As you might expect, this broadly parallels the implementation of the account activation mailer. So let's give this an argument there. In fact, we can even just copy this. It's almost exactly the same. Just a change in the subject. So the subject is password reset. And then we need to fill in the templates. So here, remember that where those are. Some views, user mailer. So before we did these two templates, let's now define these. Let's define the text one first. So I can do this. Give them the link. Remember, this is the edit password reset URL, so edit password reset path. We're using the corresponding URL version, which is the fully qualified URL. And as with account activation, instead of an integer ID, we'll be using the token. So that's going to be this. And the email is email. User.email. Again, this is very similar. We can look back here. This is very similar to this. And we're going to plan to expire this link. So let's say this link will expire in 2 hours. All right, save that, and then just copy this. It's very similar here. So the password reset h1, and then just paste this in. These should be paragraph tags. This will be a link to. Save this over here. Looks like it's unsaved. Now, as with account activation, we can take a look at some email previews. Let's go to those here. Some test, mailers, previews, and I can open this up. As with account activation, we need a user here. We'll just pick out the first one again. And now it needs a token. It needs a reset token. Again, we're just displaying it here, so it doesn't actually have to correspond to a digest or anything. It's just a preview. Do that, and let's take a look at it. All right, looks pretty good. You can look at this here. Look at the plain text version. And here's the reset link. It goes to password resets / here's the token, and then the email address.